Hi, I'm Dr. Bellinger, and today I'm just going to show you what a typical chiropractic patient in our office does, or what happens when they're in here. So with the chiropractic adjustment, it's very simple, it's quick, it's easy, and our goal is to align the spine to take pressure off the nerves, therefore relieving pain. So our patient that's lying here, she does have a couple of restrictions in the mid-spine, which we're just going to simply adjust. So we're going to find those areas that we already found earlier, and basically using our hands, and there's many techniques we use, but using our hands we can help align that spine in its proper position. And that's really all it takes.